Looking for an easy way to donate your car and get a tax deduction in California. You have come to the right place. At Cars Coins, we make vehicle donation simple so that you can get in, get out, and still make it to your pilot, pilot's class on time. Free toning, love keeping things basic. We do to contact us and we shall come to your car absolutely free of charge. Quick turn around. We got we guarantee crazy fast pickup, sometimes even within 24 hours, so you can rest easy. Tax deduction right of your car, donate your vehicle and receive a tax deduction receipt actual to the value of your vehicle. How to donate your car in California, a breakdown. We can show you how to donate your car in 4 simple steps. Don't believe us, just watch. What you need to donate provides us with basic info about your car. Time it taken 2 minutes. Tell us about your car, but don't sweet it because we accept all kinds and vehicles, even those without a pink slip in a non-operational state or with expired registration. Cars guides does not discriminate. Schedule a free pickup with our experienced team of two truck drives based all around California. You can expect us quickly, sometimes even the same day. Ma'am, receive a tax write off. Your tax deduction is based on the sale price of your car. We work hard to sell your car for the best price, which means more funds, charity, and a bigger tax for your C tax deduction at a glance to see how much money you shall earn on your card donation. Help guides. Your donation helps found cars guides youth program. Your donate car can change lives as a 501c3 charity. When you donate to us, you shall receive a tax receipt within 2 4 weeks. Plus, we shall send you packing with a free vacation voucher. Pretty